everyone, and welcome to Hosting with Susanna, where I help you create beautiful parties and fun gatherings without all the stressful planning. Today we're making my velvet chocolate cherry cocktail. This is such a rich and delicious cocktail to have at your Galentine's Day. It really has that energy and spirit of Galentine's Day in it because it's inspired by a chocolate covered cherry, which is just, such a great food at Galentine's Day and Valentine's Day. So that is the inspiration for this, and I hope that's what it tastes like as you're sipping on it with your friends. So here's what you're going to need to get started. 3 cups of a cream liqueur, 2 cups of a chocolate liqueur, 2 liters of cream soda, 2 cups of grenadine, and then you'll need 2 to 3 pints of black cherry ice cream, just depending on how much you personally want to use. And then what I would also recommend is top it off with about half the ice cream, and then during the party when you see that that's melted, go ahead and add the remaining amount. So to get started, we're going to add all of these ingredients to a drink dispenser. So we'll add our cream liqueur, our chocolate liqueur, our grenadine, our cream soda, now we'll take a big spoon or spatula and give it a good stir. And now once all those ingredients are well mixed together, go ahead and top it off with your black cherry ice cream. And there we have it, our velvet chocolate cherry cocktail. And at Galentine's, I always like to rim the glasses with frosting and then pink, red, and white sprinkles. It just looks so beautiful and aesthetic. And then I like to get little cocktail stirrers that have some sort of Galentine's type of aesthetic to them. And then for this drink in particular, since it's inspired by chocolate covered cherries, I filled the stirrer with chocolate covered cherries. So it's just the perfect way for your guests to top off their drink. That is so good. It is the perfect dessert cocktail for Galentine's Day. I hope you and your guests love it. I'll see you next time.